Guess what just came in today? This is our box of our save the dates for our wedding. We are planning a destination wedding, so having these dates confirmed and letting our family know ahead of time, go ahead and save these dates, is so important to us. So I want y'all to do this unboxing with me. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, let's do our first look together. Oh my, I could cry right now. I could. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so you can see, look at that, look at that, look at that. I love the size, like, and I love the quality. Look at our picture on the back. Look at our picture on the back. Save the date, Will and Davida, September 14th through the 17th, because we're having a destination wedding, 2023, destination loading. Get into it. Okay, let me just show you, like, from the other side. And don't forget that you get free guest addressing, free envelopes, free shipping, as well as free date changes. Make sure you use my code found in the caption to get 30% off.